Hey guys, this is the 27th video in this tutorial series on structured query language. This is the third and the final video on string functions. In this video I will be discussing about the remaining 5 string functions. The first one is reverse. It reverses a string that we enter. Then it is repeat function. The repeat function repeats a particular string for a number of times that we specify. Then is the replace function. It replaces a certain character from a string. Now that character which we want to replace and the character that will replace the old character, both of them need to be specified. Then we have the Strcmp function. It compares two strings. If they are equal, then it will return 0. If the first one is greater, then the first argument is greater, then it will return -1, and if the second argument is greater, then it will return +1. Finally, we have the substring function. It deletes some characters from a string depending on the position from which we want to delete the characters and the number of characters that we want to delete. Now both of them, the position as well as the number of characters, also need to be specified in the syntax. So let's see how they work. The first one was reverse. So select reverse and then the string. So myself is a string that I want to see in reverse order. So this is the result. The next one was repeat. Select, then repeat, and then the string that I want to see repeatedly. So the string is bye, by, and I want to see it repeatedly for 4 times. So this is the result. Then we have the replace function. So replace, then the string is self, self. The character that I want to replace is s, and the character that will replace the s character is mys. Okay, so the result is myself because I have replaced the s character with a string mys. Then we have the strcmp function. So strcmp, I will show you the 3 instances of the strcmp function. First of all, I will input 2 strings which are equal, that is myself and myself. Okay, so the result is 0 as I told you. Then I will input the first argument greater. So the resultant is -1 as I told you already, and then I will input the second argument greater. Okay, so let's see what happens. It is again -1. Now let's check out for this one. See, the resultant is 1. Okay, and finally we have the substring function. So select substring, then we have to specify the string. The string is myself. Then we have to specify the position. The position is 3 and the length is 4. So the resultant is self. Okay, so I have displayed the string. I wanted to display the string from the third character, and I want to see 4 characters from the third character. So I got the result self, and my first 2 characters have been eliminated. So this was all about the string functions. Thank you guys. Stay tuned to my channel for my upcoming videos of this series. Do subscribe to my channel, like the videos, and share them.